Hi, I'm April Hamilton. I'm the supervisor for the Cadillac Area Public Schools Kitchen.
Hi, and I'm Tammy. I'm the resident dietitian for the CAPS district. Today, Chef April is going to be making the fantastic gourmet grilled cheese sandwich.
All right, first of all, we're going to start with Texas toast. Thick cut bread is also good. You will take a half tablespoon of butter. Bread on one side, of course. Down in a pan, you'll take one slice of American cheese. Put it down there. 5 ounces of mozzarella cheese, which makes it gourmet. It's very yummy. Then you'll take the other slice of American cheese. Then on top, on the other slice of bread, of course, you spread the other half tablespoon of butter on it.
You know, I love grilled cheese, but this gourmet grilled cheese sandwich is going to be so fantastic.
All right, what makes it gourmet is we grill it lightly, toast it till it's golden brown for 2 to 3 minutes on both sides.
And it's going to be delicious. This is fantastic gourmet grilled cheese sandwich. The highlighted ingredient for our gourmet grilled cheese sandwich is American cheese. A 20.6 gram slice contains 178 milligrams of calcium, which is 17% of our recommended daily allowance. Calcium is very important for strong bones and teeth and can prevent osteoporosis. American cheese contains vitamin D and phosphorus, which are both very important for strong bones and teeth. Good source of high-quality protein, which can help with muscle growth and recovery. It can also help you feel full and maintain energy throughout the day. American cheese contains healthy fat and essential fatty acids that may help reduce the risk of type 2 diabetes. American cheese is an excellent source of protein, selenium, and B12, supports healthy immune system. American cheese is the one fantastic healthy ingredient for our gourmet grilled cheese sandwich.